In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide being active now on Snapchat. Hiding your activity indicator on Snapchat can be important for privacy reasons. It prevents others from knowing when you're online or actively using the app, giving you more control over your availability and avoiding potential social pressure or unwanted attention. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. On your chat page, tap on your profile icon to head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, navigate into the section of privacy controls. Select the option of activity indicator. Make sure to turn off this option. When disabled, the green indicator won't appear next to your profile icon. All your Snapchat friends won't notice whether you're online or offline. That's how easy it is to hide your active status on Snapchat. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.